Engineering, Technology and Innovation, HVAC Building Design Excellence. Engineering 4.0, Facility for the University of Pretoria, Tshwane, by Spoormaker and Partners. The iconic new facility on the University of Pretoria's campus was completed in February 2020 and features a state-of-the-art HVAC installation that combines specific laboratory technical requirements, energy efficiency, comfort and aesthetics in an innovative, holistic way. The installation in this 6,800 square meter facility is a rare and inspiring example of a facility where services play a leading role not only in the functionality and sustainability but also in the aesthetics. This project won the 2020 South African Property Owners Association Innovation Excellence Award. Vopak Terminal Lesedi, Admin Building, for Vopak South Africa Developments in joint venture with Royal Vopak and Riatile Resources, Gauteng by Zutari. The admin building design at Vopak incorporates an extensive range of environmentally sustainable initiatives. Central to manifesting clients' requirements to achieving a high-quality indoor environment that focuses on the well-being of the building's occupants is an advanced HVAC system. This consists of a mixed-mode ventilation system that optimizes the use of natural ventilation when the outside air conditions are desirable and switches to mechanical air conditioning when the outside conditions are not favorable.